Hey guys, Mike Grady here. Day number 10 of the ClickFunnels Funnel Builder Challenge, and want to go through what we talked about today. Yesterday we talked about not just selling a product, but creating offers. So you have your product and then you add on layers of value. So now your product is not competing with a similar product from one of your competitors. Now you have an offer that is completely different than anybody else in the marketplace. Now, what we learned today is how do we create those different products? And how many products are there that we can create? We actually went through a list of about 21 different products that we can actually create to add value to the existing product that we started and want to sell. So examples of that could be an ebook, and then once you take that ebook and you record it, then you can actually strip out the audio and have an audio, or you can actually make a video out of it, or do it in reverse. Start with a video, do a seminar for a group of people. Then once you have the seminar done, then you can actually separate that seminar into individual videos, and then you can take each one of those individual videos, have them transcribed, so that you can actually have just the audio for people that want to have audio, say on a Audible or something like that, where they can, or you can put it onto a CD so they can listen to it. And then from that same transcription, you can actually turn that into an ebook. So from one video course that you can do in your office on a Tuesday or a Wednesday night for your clients, patients, what have you, just to educate your consumers, then you can actually turn that into multiple products. And these are just 3 examples. We actually went through 21 different examples of products that are that easy to create just by putting an idea into a particular media and then repurposing that so that you can add layers of value on top of the product that you're wanting to sell. And then the other thing we went through is, once we have these ancillary products that educate people on the original product that we wanted to sell, what's the proper sequence so that when people see that sequence and they get the information, they'll want the original product that you're trying to sell. So that being said, really it was a fantastic training today, and each layer is building upon the previous layer so that when we actually launch our funnels, our raving fans will want to buy those products just like that, and they will never consider looking for a lower price because of all the value they're getting, and they'll never look at a competitor because your competitor can't do what you can do.